And as the snow begins to melt during the day and then refreeze overnight, roofing experts say ice dams are forming faster than usual. Those dams block gutters, and that pushes water back up under your shingles, and in some cases can send sheets of ice crashing off the roofs. NBC5's Christian Farr spoke with roofers and has tips on how to best protect your home.
This season's early snowfall is keeping roofing companies in the Chicago area very, very busy. With temperatures expected to rise on Tuesday, homeowners could have problems.
When you get a lot of snow and the temperatures remain below freezing, but they kind of get closer to that thaw territory and the sun comes out, it creates perfect conditions for ice damming.
Kevin Newhouse with Evanston-based Hanson Roofing has been fielding lots of calls from homeowners concerned about ice damming. His crews have been climbing on roofs in an effort to reduce the problem.
They're getting as much snow off the roof as they can to really alleviate a lot of that fuel, which is the melt from that snow through the heat of your house. It gets to the gutter edge and it freezes because there's no heat source. And then you pretty much just wind up with an ice dam building.
In Chicago's Saguenaush neighborhood,
we're pretty busy. This is a decent snowfall for the time of the year in Chicago.
The ice dam guys out of Minnesota are using steam to clear ice-filled gutters. What kind of problems can you have with that?
It's most common is leaking, and then I've seen a few of them where the ice dam will actually the sheet of ice will fall off of your roof, and it'll cause damage to structures, your fences, any plants.
While you can't spend the money and hire a roofing company to get that snow off your roof, you can do it yourself by picking up your own roof rake.
If your house isn't too tall, you can get a roof rake and you can alleviate it by getting the snow away from the gutter edge the best you can.
In Wilmette, Christian Farr, NBC5 News.